Hi Amy, I hope you're enjoying your holidays. I'm just taking a look at your assignment. You've got quite a lot of slides, haven't you? I think that's the most slides I've seen so far. So you've chosen magnesium, carbon and oxygen. So you've got one metal and two gases, so that's okay. You've got some good background information for carbon as well as oxygen and magnesium. So you've got a picture for magnesium, which is good. Would have been good to have a picture of oxygen and carbon, although it can be a bit difficult to find. So you've got information, elemental information here in the Bohr diagram. So that's good. Oxygen again, Bohr diagram, and carbon's Bohr diagram. You've got one chemical equation for each of your elements. Would have been good if you could have found a few for each. You've got some interesting facts there about each of your elements, so that's really good to see. And you've got a bibliography, so you've done all the parts you were supposed to do. You didn't have that much time to do it in, especially with the CRT teachers watching. You handed it in on time, and I'm going to give you a very high. So congratulations and enjoy the rest of your holidays. Bye.